well, it's had a 10-15 minutes in the acetone. It probably didn't need that much at all, but they're the joints I soldered on that chip up there, which now look a lot cleaner since the all the remnants of the flux has gone. The ones at the back, they're the original ones. They all look fine by eye. I can't see any sign of issues there. These ones had possibly hairline cracks, and this one down here is where the that middle pin there was where the dry joint, where it looked incredibly dull, grey and crystalline. So this chip in the middle seems to be fine, so I've left that alone. And all the capacitors, these little grey boxes here, they're fine, as are the two little jumpers there. So by eye I can't spot a single problem with this anymore, so I think it is time to return it to its natural habitat and see how it goes. So back in the board it goes. Now, I'm two minds of whether to actually video the resoldering attempt to this. I'm not really sure there's much point, but I'll give it a go, otherwise this will be a very short video. So one advantage of my soldering iron is it goes from cold to 400 degrees C in about 20-30 seconds, so it is almost there. So same deal as before. Give it a pin to get the camera to focus. Give it a pin just for structural support. Check the alignment of the chip, which is still slightly wonky. Check it again, and it's spot on. So go ahead and solder the rest of the pins. The wire on this soldering iron isn't quite long enough to reach the clear point of the bench where I can actually have the camera as well. So compared with the micro soldering on those joints on this board, working in the normal size range of solder joints is a doddle. A common mistake people make with soldering is they just jab at the joint. To end up with a nice clean joint, you should always pull the soldering iron off away up the leg of the component you're soldering. That drags the remaining solder on the iron up in line with the joint, and you don't end up with moving the joint as you pull away. So that is now ready to go back into the synth, which will be the next video.